Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to roll back undo a WordPress theme or plugin to a prior version. So very simple and easy way. Walk cursor to your website. Walk cursor. So visit your website dashboard. Then walk cursor to plugins. Then click on add new. Now here search WP rollback. This one find out WP rollback. Rollback or forward any WordPress.org plugin or theme like a boss. So install it, and this is the famous and popular plugin. Then here click on activate. Now here click on installed plugin. So now here you will see this option rollback. So click on it. Like if you want to roll back this plugin, so click here. Please select which plugin version you would like to roll back to from the release listed below. You currently have version 0.9.9 installed of Ahrefs SEO. So here you will see a list. You can select any version and click on rollback. That's it. As we can see, we activate this plugin successfully. If you want to roll back a theme, appearance and themes, click on that theme. Now here is the option rollback. Click on it. So here you will see a list of version. Select it and roll back. Read this warning. We strongly recommended you create a complete backup of your WordPress files and database prior to performing a rollback. We are not responsible for any misuse, deletions, white screens, fatal errors, or any another issue resulting from the use of this plugin. So make sure and if you are sure, so click on rollback. So this is the way, guys, you can roll back undo a WordPress theme or plugin to a prior version. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.